Hey, hi, you're watching JP Tarot, and I'm back with the most awaited reading. Will your person marry you? Okay, so you have this is most wanted reading. So, will your person marry you? You will have to choose from these three options, this pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Pile 1 white stone, pile 2 black stone, and pile 3 this red stone. Pause the video, choose your pile, and then come back to the reading. Okay, so those who chose this white stone, you are up. So you have Queen of Swords, Eight of Wands, you have Magician, you have Nine of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. It was reversed. Okay, so I'm keeping it reversed. Okay, so somebody in this relationship wants clarity over something. They want communication. Definitely you have no contact situation, or from long time, or from a very few, but considerable, means it might be weeks, 3-4 weeks, or even months, and even years. Okay, might be, but someone wants clarity over a situation. Someone wants clarity. They want communication, that whether the person is going to put in effort, because this is in reverse, that whether the person is going to put in effort in this relationship or not. Do they want something in this relationship or not? Are they manifesting this relationship or not? That's the question over which they want clarity. And right now, this person who is asking clarity, either they or the person they are expecting a clarity, that person or both of you are in a very stable position. Okay, somebody is very much, somebody has built their finance, they are rich, they are eligible, and they are ready for taking their life to the next level. They have potential, they have built their potential towards the future, happy future ahead. They have built this their future to offer someone a stable life. Okay, so someone wants this stable life with their partner, but they don't know whether their person, they want this, and this is like this. Okay, so they don't know whether their person are manifesting this relation or not, whether their person want to put effort in this relationship or not, whether the person wants something in this future, in this relationship in the future. They want this effort in this relationship which they are not getting, so they are not seeing this, so they want clarity what their person want, and for that clarity they are waiting for a communication to come in. Okay, right now whoever is asking, or about whom they are asking, they might be in a very stable position, and the person from whom they are stable and they are able to provide this stability to their person, or the person who is expecting a communication wants this stability from the person. So if you are a guy, your person is waiting for communication and clarity over the situation, that after building you, whether you were building this foundation for them, for providing them this stability or not, whether you were doing all this effort for this relationship or not, whether you were manifesting this relationship, whether you want something in this relationship or just you don't want anything in this relationship, because they feel that you are not putting in effort, you are not manifesting, you are not wanting anything, but they do want this clarity because they are expecting a stable life with you. Okay, and if you are a girl, and if you are a girl, still you are expecting from your partner who is stable, who is successful, but you are waiting for communication and clarity, which is not visible right now. You are expecting them to clear that whether they want this relationship or not, whether they are going to put in effort in this relationship or not, and whether they are manifesting this relationship or not, whether they want to reverse this stalemate energy and non-giving and taking in this relationship, non-give and take like situation, non-communication like situation, whether they want to change this energy or not, whether they want to provide them stability or not, whether they want their person are willing to give them this stability because they are stable and they are and their person is expecting to provide this stability to them also, not in a financial term. Okay, it's emotional, financial and family. Okay, complete stability. Your person as a whole wants complete stability from you. Okay, so will your person marry you? Only communication can tell whether your person will marry you or not. For right now, communication and this non-communication and non-clarity is, and non-effort in this relationship is the main roadblock. Since though somebody is stable and can offer this stability, communication is needed. However, this card was communication is waited. If communication will happen, stability could come in. For right now, it is maybe, but once you get a communication, you will be cleared. You will get clear indication, clear clarity that whether your person wants to offer this stability to you or not, whether he was doing all these efforts for you to ground this relationship or not. Okay, that's your reading. For right now, it's a maybe. Time knows what will be in its womb. Okay, so right now it's a maybe. Okay, whether your person wants to marry you, it's a maybe for right now, because there is no communication and non-clarity. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you. That's all for you. Okay, so those who chose this black stone, you're up. Okay, got it. Okay, so someone, you guys, this is a separation mode of reading. Okay, there is a separation in this relationship. So due to this separation, someone is juggling what to do, what not to do, whether to offer a stable, whether to offer the partner the emotion and stability, or offer of stability to them or not, because somebody is not happy in this situation, in this breakup like situation. In this breakup situation, somebody do feel emotional towards their partner. They feel their emotions towards their partner is stable, but still they are not happy in this relationship, because there might be a case due to this separation. Either of you or any one of you or both of you are not putting in any effort in this relationship. They feel that like that the person is not manifesting this relationship. They don't want anything in this relationship, so they are not happy despite having this stable emotion towards their person. So they are juggling, they are in dilemma, and they are thinking whether to offer the person offer stability or love or not, to offer them stability or not, to have a new beginning with their person or not. They are just in a dilemma, they are in confusion, they are in a juggling situation. So in order to, however, this came in reverse, so it's a sign that this separation is going to end in the near future, or it might be like a magic. Nothing is going, since see this card, both this card, there is separation could end if, let me, this is separation, take it this like this, no effort and separation. This is separation coming to end and no effort. There was effort, no effort. So it is advised don't to expect anything from this relationship. Don't try to force things. Don't put in effort. You will get my answer, bro. Don't put in effort to weigh things, because it's making the confusion more and more deeper. So in order to reverse this, separation, you need to reverse this. In effort, unwanting, confusion, non-manifestation, to this is right now, this came in reverse, that means separation is going to end. But right now current energy is non-manifestation, non-wanting and non-effort in this situation. To reverse this situation, you need to put in effort, have to expect in this relationship, want things to be great and good, manifest this relationship, put in effort. You need to reverse this energy, put in effort, okay, but don't put in effort in juggling, okay. Don't put effort in juggling. That's why that came in reverse, okay. Don't juggle and put the effort which is required in order to end this separation. However, this came in this position, in reverse position. That means definitely you are going to end this juggling, and you will manifesting, do things correct, and end this separation and this dilemma, and will offer stability to your person, or your person is going to do all this stuff for you, okay. So will your person marry you? Definitely your person will marry you. They will end this dilemma, they will offer you love, because they feel stable in this relationship. However, they are not happy regarding this separation. But the great thing is, due to this wanting and stable emotion, this separation which was in past in an upright position is right now showing that it is going to end, due to the positive emotion and passion of your person towards you. And this limbo energy is going to be reversed, and you will get the greatest outcome out of this relationship, because you have some good cards which will ultimately turn this juggling situation into a clear decision. Okay, this is a good card. Okay, so, and this will reverse the situation of ineffort and this separation, and you will ultimately get married to your person. Yes, your person is going to offer you a marriage proposal. Will your person marry you? Yes, your person will marry you. Okay, so hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. That's all for you. Pile number 2. Goodbye. So those who chose this red stone, you are up. Okay. Oh. Somebody is in huge love and emotion. Okay, there is a mutual love. There is a mutual love. But somebody hurted someone. There is a heartbreak card, and somebody is healing from that heartbreak. Despite this betrayal and heartbreak and pain, and despite this situation where they are still healing from that betrayal and that pain, they are still suffering, and they are in the position of rest, hibernation, and they are still healing from that wound. Despite all this severe wounds in their heart, and despite this situation where they are right now not completely healed, and right now they are healing from that pain, that heartbreak, but still they have love and emotion for their partner. There is a mutual love in between you two. Okay, and there is a stable passion and stable emotion for that, complete emotion and complete passion. Somebody feels like that they can't have any such a passion for anybody else in their entire life. They have saturation of the passion towards that their person, and they have saturation of the emotion, love towards their person. They want to be their king. So see, you have huge passion and huge emotion at the same time. Somewhere you get only passion, somewhere you get only emotion. Okay, so somebody who is willing of passion, despite their person love them, they get dissatisfied, and where somewhere their person has huge passion for them, but the other person seeks emotion, not only passion. They also get dissatisfied. But in this relationship, there is equal balance of passion and emotion. So you can count yourself as the luckiest person on the planet, having both the traits and both saturated level of traits in your person, who loves you a lot. Your love is mutual, the passion is at the zenith, the emotion is at the zenith. Whoever you are asking about, definitely they are going to, despite this all, there is a dilemma. If they heal, they will come with this passion and emotion, and they will share this mutual love with you. Okay, if they will heal. Love, heartbreak, healing, passion and emotion, synchronicity. Okay, It's a maybe, but this maybe will change. Because why I am saying only one ugly card is this heartbreak card. Otherwise, healing card, it's a good card. Emotional card, mutual love card, passion card, and emotion card. Might be their passion led to this heartbreak. They did something misbehavior from which caused you heartbreak, and now you are healing. Though you have mutual love and full emotion for your person, since there is a heartbreak and needs healing. So will your person marry you? Either you or your person hurt their person and the other one is healing despite this passion and emotion for their person and this mutual love. There is a limbo and lot of healing is needed. So for right now it's a maybe, but only this card is negative, this heartbreak card. Other are pulling this negative energy towards the positive energy, because once that issue is healed, that person is healed, they will come and offer their passion, emotion, and they will share this mutual love with you, and they will ultimately, since they want to be your king, they want to be your king in either cases, in passion, in term of passion, in term of emotion, they want to share this love. Okay, in term of passion and emotion, they feel that like your king or queen. So they will ultimately come with this love, mutual love, and will offer you, though there is no pentacle card. So there is passion, there is emotion, but there is no stability in this relationship which is needed, so that I can say that there is a chance of marriage in this reading. But still your person wants this passion and love and mutual sharing of this love and passion in between you two. They will heal and they will come back. Then since there is no any stability in this relationship, they need healing, and you will have to wait that this all positive card undermine this negative card and pull this negative energy towards this positive energy. Okay, so you will have to wait. For now it's a maybe, but future is bright, because your person has a stable passion and emotion for you. For right now it's a no, maybe, but for the future, after healing, they will come. So after some times they are coming, okay, with their passion, with their emotion. For right now, if you are asking, you are in haste, then it's a no. But in the future they will come, they will offer you their cup of love. However, marriage card is not there, but things will turn out good, because your person wants to be your king or queen. Okay, they feel like your husband or wife. That's a stable energy emotionally. They need to bring in more stability, and that will come only after healing. Okay, hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, please do like, share, subscribe. Goodbye. That's all for you, pile number 3. Thank you.